Now the time comes when you are going to learn the juggling, in which the most important quality which actually require is persistence. Persistence is very much important for a player while doing this juggling, because juggling needs a very good coordination between the body and mind, and we always should be more particular and focus on what we are doing, because this is a rhythmic way. With the support of your hand, hold the ball properly, and you have to execute this juggling from the where we used to tie the lace. So that part is also good, and later when you are more expertise in this juggling, then you will use automatically your upper part of your toes. And initially we can start with the help of the hands, holding the ball like this, and go just down the ball downwards and touch. Take a one single touch from your one leg. Likewise you have to do with your both the legs one by one, so that you will be master in both the legs of controlling the ball. In this way you have to hit and hold, same way hit. Yes, that's one, that's two, that's one. It's very difficult to go for a number of touches more initially, but regular practice and day by day and by week, by month, you will be more master over this skill. You see, this is one, this is two. Same way you have to hold the ball, drop it down, then kick. Make a good juggling with your inside, the instep of the foot. You cannot say inside, instep of the foot, where we used to tie the lace. This is the best part. In this way you can increase your number of touches. Now I will show you with one leg. I will going to touch twice. You see, 1 2 1 2. In this way, 1 2. In this way you have to learn 1 2. Slowly and gradually you will go for 2 touches alternate. So slowly and gradually I am telling you, drop the ball with the help of your hand, then down. Once again, 1 2, then go for 2 touches, then hold the ball again, 1 2, then 2 touches, then again 1 2, then hold the ball, 1 2, hold the ball, 1 2, hold the ball. If you wish, now you can go for alternate by right and leg. You see, 1 2, same way, 1 2, same way, 1 2, same way, 1 2. Now you go for alternate ball touch with your leg, with counting of 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24. So in this way you can increase the number of touches, but it require number of touches will be increased only when you will go for more days of practice, and slowly and gradually you will be mastery on over this skill, juggling, and you will become a very good juggler. And if you be master in juggling, you will be able to control the ball during at the time of match, and that will be easier to receive the ball. You can move forward, advance the ball forward. The number of touches during moving forward will be more smoother, because you have a good control with your instep of the foot. So when we used to run with the ball, the way the application of force what we apply, that all becomes normal, and you have a very good sense of controlling the ball by yourself. So once again I will show you the number of touches can be improved only through your mastery over ball control. So this is a juggling. The methodology is very simple. Initially when you doesn't know the method to learn juggling, you can hold the ball in your hand, then again you go for one single touch, once again drop down the ball down, and do with your left leg, because somebody are more familiar with their left, somebody are more good in their right leg. So depends on your leg. You should have to develop both the legs, so that during the game, during the match, you will be able to master in both the legs and you can control the ball by yourself. So this is a good way. Do it. This is the best way, because I am able to do the number of touches more, because my learning was much when I was in school. My coaches used to give me target at least go for 3 to 4, and I was unable. But yes, slowly and gradually I increased the number of touches, and nowadays I can do the number of touches more than 1000, and I can run with this juggling, because I have a practice and I have a mastery on this in this football. So I love to be a part and parcel of DPS Bhilai, where my children are more good in football. They love to play football, and I am there for them to teach, to make them a good professional player, and later they can play for the district, state and national, and later they can become a professional player in the international side also. So I wish them to learn their football in a better way. So it's a good time. I wish everyone to do this juggling and take more interest and do this practice every day, weekly, monthly, and become a good footballer. Thank you very much.